So today we're gonna be doing a chicken piccata. My husband usually likes chicken thighs. However, I find that the chicken breast actually gives a better flavor to the piccata, so I win this time. I'm gonna go ahead and sear it in a hot cast iron skillet. I love cast iron skillets. Let me just tell you, I get some of the most even, flavorful cooking off of this bad boy right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of butter or so. This butter is grass-fed butter. I'm gonna go ahead and put a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. You really want to scrape up all those brown bits, all that good flavor from the pan. I've seasoned the chicken breast with a little kosher salt and some fresh cracked pepper to taste. Go ahead and get it nice and brown on each side. Just enough to get a nice, good sear. The flavor from the chicken just on the cast iron skillet with the butter and the avocado oil does the trick.